Jay's World. Welcome to Jay's World. Welcome to Jay's World.
Siyempre yung dad mo, veterano, alam niyo na yung gulo, Engera, isang combat pilot, dito sa bansa, lalo na sa Mindanao. Nagkakwento ba siya about his encounter? So, ano siya? Air Force. Si daddy. Nagkaroon ako ng boyfriend na Air Force! Sinaktan niyo yung, basta. Ikaw muna.
Mamaya taxi ticket.
Mamaya. Tanong mo ako doon. Excited daw ako. Nagkakwento ba si daddy to sa encounters?
Oo, madalas kasi nung bata pa ako, sa table, kami, siyempre, sinusapan niya yung pinagdala niya sa execution, mga rams,
So talagang he was actually into combat. As in talagang...
dati kaya, soldier din siya as fire combat.
Wow! Talaga?
Iba-iba yung linya ko medyo napaganda siya.
Correct! Oo nga! Pero, were you scared nung pag-ribawa, nagbibigay siya ng mga war stories sa inyo? And for you as a child to hear all those stories, na scared ka ba? Or parang inspired ka na parang, wow, parang I need to be also like my dad? Mga ganong klase yung eksena. Ay, wala! Ayaw talaga! Ay, hindi!
Ayaw ko mamatay ng maga. Pero, well, actually, yung bata ko, medyo hindi ko pero nung malaki na ako, siyempre nagtulong ko lang ang ginagawa niya, college history na nga.
Correct.
High school na ako, college ko na ako, wow, history talaga. Kasi history.
And this is not just a job that he has to do, but he's actually for the country.
Lalo kung parang nung high school na ako, lalo kung
about it.
Kung ano talaga yung ginagawa.
Correct. So,
interesting. Super interesting.
Okay.
Honestly, I'm proud of it.
Dapat naman talaga. Tsaka mahirap. How is it like to have kasi alam mo ito na, ikukwento ko na. Kahit hindi mo tatanong, ikukwento ko na yung ko. Ito na, kahit hindi mo tatanong, ikukwento ko na yung ex ko. Kaya ako nagkiwalay nung Air Force kong ex. Kasi, hindi ko kaya yung kunyari, we have a date, kunyari, or something, or parang a scheduled trip to whatever place. Tapos, all of a sudden, if the president calls for a red alert, kahit ano pang ginagawa nila, where he has to drop everything, and, di ba? Kasi it's always God and then country before your family.
And dapat willing to die for service.
I know, di ba?
So, yeah,
Hindi ko talaga na-carry yun.
Sundalo ka, or whatever.
Correct.
I think, yun lang yung may job description na willing ka umatay sa
for your country.
Right.
Tama. But how was your mom with the whole situation?
With my dad?
Yes.
Well, sobrang talaga siya. Tago days. Kasi actually, matago din.
Because of the EDSA 1 days, and Huanasan, yeah.
Tago days. So, sobrang love story sila.
Correct.
See each other. Baby sa ako.
Wala ka pa masyadong
Bahala
umuha.
ako doon. Minsan gumagano siya. Sabi ko nga, pag-iisip ko pa, hindi ko sobrang adventures na yun.
Yes, oo talaga. It's not easy.
Saka, hindi ko alam na parang medyo, may celebrity status ko siya.
Right.
So, okay.
But was he always out of the house?
Dati, he was always out of the house. Pero ngayon, retired na siya.
Okay.
Hindi nga siya tumakbo eh. Gusto niya live.
Yes.
Kasi wala na tulog. So, yung tao siya.
So si Daddy, between those days and now, would you think kung si alin yung mas trip niya? Parang alin yung mas gusto niya?
Well, hindi ko ngayon kasi syempre mas relax na siya. Pero, he loved what he did.
Correct.
Spend tayo siya. Spending more time na siya.
But was there ever a time na naging alanganin yung life ni Daddy na parang there were threats already to his life and to the life of the family, gano'n?
Family, hindi ko alam.
Kasi baby ka pa noon eh. How old were you when yung mga 1986, mga gano'n?
Oo, 6 years old. So, madami siyang taway, madami siyang tawahan. Madami siyang talaga. So, I'm sure dami siyang kasama. Pero ngayon, Ngayon pa rin, pero matatanda na rin.
Mga kaedad niya na rin.
Mga kaedad niya. So, yung mga kabash sila, wala na pa kailangan. Mga bata na yun yung mga...
Oo, sila na. So, kung ano man yung mga kaaway niya, mga ka-age na yung nararamdaman na.
Senior na yung daddy.
Senior na si daddy.
Tatamaan niya. Kalaban niya kami sa kaibigan niya.
Okay. Tsaka when you grow older, gano'n naman talaga
Okay.
Wala namang rason para for you to remain as enemies. Okay. Kapag maalis yung dad niya at sasabihin may assignment siya, how do you feel? Parang, is this the last time that I'm gonna see my dad? Or yung may magaling gabang klaseng feeling?
Luckily, when I was born, nag-retire siya ng kaya colonel na yung napas. Kasi nung pinanganak ako, hindi na siya yung lalo siya magtakbo for a while. Pero,
so that was just a plan, hindi siya talaga tumakbo.
Tumakbo siya.
Pero,
I don't know kung ano nangyari kasi bata din ako. Pero, hindi, ako hindi tinuloy or whatever. Luckily, hindi ko na-experience yung parang sabi na ako.
Correct. Kasi kung if you were older, di ba, parang you would actually feel the hurt and the pain of the scary part of him leaving. Alright, hindi naman kasi lahat share the same values, same views about war, about kung sino yung tama, about kung mali yung government, kung sino dapat yung kakampi. How do you deal kapag merong hindi with your views, medyo tumataliwas? Yes.
Well, for me, like what it is.
Up until now.
Yeah, that's always what it is. So, what the saying goes, it always starts in me.
Correct.
It always starts to our individual selves. Kasi hindi mo
Tama. And really, ang discipline starts with the self. Hindi naman dapat na you, diba, tutulong ka sa government or whatever.
I try to do my best. I set a role model for younger kids.
Yeah.
I try to influence them in my own way. I try to do my own little way. I saw things I inspire kids.
Dapat naman talaga. Well, was there ever a time na nabubuli ka or nasasabit ka sa away? Kung halimbawa medyo ang background is the dad is the military, so para medyo hindi niyo ako pwedeng anuhin kasi ang daddy ko militar. So,
well, growing up in Iloilo, wala akong issue. Ako sila lahat.
Oo naman.
Pero, it's a laid back, very laid back. So, never ako experience bullying. Pero, I get fights, pero,
hindi naman something na talaga. Correct. Okay. Any learnings about yung war stories shared by your dad?
Well, one thing is, hindi pa rin pitigil. Yung gobyerno nila, yung same area kasi sa gobyerno, hindi pa rin nandun ngayon.
Yung pinaglalaban ng daddy mo long before, up until now, yung pa rin, nakakaloka! Nakaka-frustrate! It's really so frustrating. It's sad to hear. Time pa ng yung dad, tapos up until now, it's the same issues all over again. Kung man ang change mas negative pa than before, wala.
Intention sila eh.
Correct. Anyway, bakit hindi mo sinundan ang footsteps ni Daddy? Why didn't you become a soldier just like him?
First of all, di ako may buwan.
Okay.
Mahirap yung buhay especially sa people. Easy. So, hindi ka ba sa takot, pero bakit ba?
Kung may choice naman, di ba?
Masarap ng buhay ngayon sa mga kids. I wanna live,
correct. Because really, that is a medyo abnormal life. Hindi, not in the negative way, pero iba talaga siya eh.
Well, it's a decision for someone to really want to go. Pero hindi ka sa boss eh.
But he did not influence you, na parang, hey,
wala, mga hiri-hiri. Hiri ka na lang. Pag papasok ka doon, hindi ka magbabayad, hindi ka magbabayaran. Mga ganun.
Pero wala talaga eh, no?
We end up going, war. Ako, pinakagulat ka.
Tsaka mamaya, mag-gera ka, tapos yung mukha mo masira, sayang ang gwapo-gwapo mo. Talagang kailangan sabihin. Diba? Daddy mo kamukha mo?
Sabi nila, next time.
Okay. Alright. How are you as a family? How do you spend quality time together?
We spend it Saturdays and Sundays. Tumako or wala akong work. Kasi that's for the past few years, I've been doing showbiz, tumakas ng showbiz. Medyo naging busy sa football, so I get, I really try to have time with family. Hindi pa kasi dito. Yung sisters ko na dito, so we're trying to...
na mag-drive ang mga skits and for you to see each other again, di ba? But, di ba sabi mo kanina, hindi mo talaga feel yung mga war and that's not what you want. Anong profession talaga yung gusto mo?
Well,
when you were younger and
growing up, high school, basketball player talaga ako. Dapat talaga mag-dala sa kanila. UP dapat mag-dala talaga ako. Pero,
talaga?
Yung UP, gusto ko talaga yung basketball. But, eventually, music sa life ko. Tapos, sabi ko parang okay siya, pwede siya. Parang na-click siya sa music ko. And then, I just used it and practice. So, after that, pumunta na ako sa show business. Tapos, hindi naman ako huli.
Oo, at yun naman din. Sige. Alright, let's talk about that later. After high school, pinadala ka ng parents mo sa London and you studied in Cambridge University. Shout out! Di ba pang mayaman? Kwento naman your experience. Kwento naman your experience sa Cambridge.
Hindi ko kinaya.
Bakit? Demanding sila, nabubuli sila.
Kasi, siyempre, ibang culture. Sobrang ibang culture. Different people.
Really, like what they do?
Parang siyempre, iba talaga sa Pilipinas.
Mas ano sila?
Rules and regulations talaga doon, nakakalimutan. Yung mga safe magkakaroon doon.
Dito kasi, di ba? Dito kasi nakalagay, wag tumawid, may namatay na dito, nandun lahat. Tumatawid.
Mas iba talaga dito sa Pilipinas. Pero doon, yung weather din, malamig. Saka yung mga tao, friendly din. Friendly yung mga tao. Siguro, parang hindi ko lang kaya-answer dito.
So, ibig sabihin, this was, yung pag-aral mo doon sa London, was not your decision but your parents?
Parang ano siya, exchange students tayo.
Okay.
So, pinay-out ko lang siya how experience.
And you lasted for?
4 months, 5 months.
So, hindi mo tinapos
Actually,
semester?
Or may certain month, kung kailan ako kung class ko, stay. Let's try 4 months.
Alright.
Stay there.
Or did you have a girlfriend there?
Ay, pero wala nga eh.
Yun eh, kaya bumalik ng Pilipinas eh. Yung itsura mo parang wala nga eh.
Pero isip ko, I met a girl there. Pero wala.
Pero, because iba pa rin pagka Pinay. Or wala ka rin. Talaga?
Mga nurse, dami akong mga friends doon, nurse, naiyak ako doon.
Makapunta ka na doon. Nang yumaman na rin.
May year din na po doon. Pero, sabi ko
pero dahil medyo mahirap at medyo mas feel mo ang rules and regulations even sa Philippines, you return. Alright. Marami pang ikukwento sa atin si Young JB and he'll talk about his music and his album when all out returns. Kaya stick around and we will be right back.
They call me Young JV. Let me break it down every time I come around.